Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today's video was a subscriber request. My guy, Gaming with KT, said, can you please do a step-by-step video with Warrior Plus and free Facebook ads? Hopefully, this is your next video. So this is my next video. I want to make sure you guys get what you need. All right. So, for those of you who are not familiar with Warrior Plus, it is a free platform that you can make money from. So if you want to learn how to make money online for free, this place here is a good way to go, as well as ClickBank and JVZoo. Those are also free platforms that you can make tons of money with, and there's a lot of people doing six figures. So let me get right into it. When you first sign up, the first thing you want to go to is normally affiliates. Now, I haven't promoted this system in about a year now, so as you can see, I haven't made any money in weeks because I don't promote it anymore. But if you click on my stats, I'll just show you guys proof that I have made money with this. We'll go to my all-time earnings so far. $3,400 that was made with this system alone for free. Didn't pay any money to get into it, so that's $3,400 there. Then if you click on recurring payments, I still have 34 $9 payments coming in each month. 34 $9 payments. So I'm still getting paid from the system that I don't even promote anymore. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to click on affiliates and then click on offers. Okay, and then after you do that, you want to go through these offers. Now, I went over this before, but for those of you who are new, these are just different companies that people are promoting, and what you're doing is basically helping them promote it, and then you'll get a commission if you get a sale. And a lot of these are really low ticket, and then they have upsells. So I'll explain. But you want to go through these companies and you want to click on some. Now, I usually tell people to find this guy, Brandon Mace. He usually has good capture pages, and some other guys down here. But you can go through here, and if it's something that you see that you want to promote, like I'll click on this first one here. Okay, and then you could also look at the products. So it'll show you. Okay, so the price at the very first price is a low end price is $12.94. You'll get 100% commissions off of that if someone buys in at this price. Okay, you'll get that straight to your account. And then after they buy this, it'll send them to another video and it'll upsell them at $37. They have the choice to accept it or decline it. If they accept it, you make $18.50, so you get 50% commissions off of that. After that video, it's just going to keep upselling them, and they have the chance of saying yes to it or no to it. And so if they end up going through all of these, you made all of these commissions in one day. Okay, and I've had that happen to me before on numerous occasions. Now, the one that I promote, it goes up to like $500, $400, something like that, and I actually got those commissions. People going through the entire system, so that's really good. So it kind of lets you know what you'll be promoting. But before you click on the products, you can go to view the sales page to see what it looks like. Okay, you want to see what it looks like. If it doesn't look appealing, if it doesn't say anything normally, it depends on what it is. Sometimes if it's a software, that's good. See, but something like this is good because it has, money attached to it at the top. Like some people's sell page has nothing to do with anything. Like it's not appealing. So it says bank $2,373 per month. And like immediately that's going to catch somebody's attention when they look at it. And then it says using 100% free traffic, so they'll watch the video, they'll come down here, and if they decide to go ahead and get started right here, then it will show them the price, which is $12.94. Okay, once they buy into that, it'll take them straight through to another sales page where they can upgrade, and they continue to upgrade and get upsells until you get all those commissions. If they decline, then they'll just get the products that they ordered. And so they have a pretty nice sales pages. So this is probably one I will promote. And then, like I said, the first thing you need to do is request approval. Okay, so they want to approve you before you can promote. Now, With ClickBank, you don't have to get approved. They approve you automatically. But this one, it probably takes, sometimes it takes about an hour, sometimes it takes 24 hours. But you just want to do a lot of them so that way some get approved fast and you'll be able to get, started immediately. But so once you go here, you just want to put, I have an audience, I guess, an audience that I want to promote to, and just say something like, I'd love to share these products with my audience or something like that. And then they'll see it, they'll approve it. And then after they approve it, you'll click get links. So it's still under affiliates tab. You'll click get links and then you'll come down, you'll click get link, and then it'll give you your link to promote. Okay. Now, when you get this link, you never want to just promote this link because it's so long. You want to go to a place like bit.ly.com and shorten your link. So I'll show you guys that. If a lot of you are familiar with it, but for those who are not familiar, I'll go ahead and show you. Let me see if I can do it like this. Oh, here we go. So yeah, you go to bit.ly.com and then you can paste the link right there, and it'll automatically turn it into a shortened link. But if you actually sign up, you can actually change this back into whatever you want to. So you can say, make money with me or whatever your name is, and then you can like customize it. But for this purpose, I'll just do this. So you can copy it and then you can start promoting. All right. So now that you're ready to start promoting, you want to go to Facebook. Now, I don't know. You asked about the free ads. There's no like free advertising. I mean, as far as like running ads, but Facebook groups is normally usually the best way to get traffic. The reason why it's a lot harder for some people because everybody's in here promoting their group, their business at once. So you have to learn how to stand out, and you can just go through here and just look at people's pages. Like they're not getting any likes, engagement. They're only getting 3. He's getting 14. Somebody here is getting a lot. So you kind of got to just go through here and see who's getting engagement, what they're doing, and what's working and what's not. But what I typically see that works the best is using money pictures, using the side by side text with the video. So, like, say this was split in half, it'll have text over here, and then it'll have a video over here. Um, or you could just get another video. So, just for this purpose, I'll show you. If you go to Instagram and you do hashtag cash, it just has a bunch of money pictures here and videos. So, for instance, like this video right here, you could use this video just for advertising purposes, and then saying, who wants to make, extra $200 to $300 a day, depending on what it is that you're promoting. And see, like this video, this guy right here took whoever he is, because this is a black hand and he's a white guy. So people are, copying and pasting videos and all that all day long on all social media platforms. So I guess this is just a video of a guy counting somebody, and you can use that. I mean, this is gonna stand out a lot more than these. A lot of this stuff is in here is boring. It's not really eye catching. So you pretty much, it's just a standout game. You pretty much want to stand out the best way you can. So I typically, money pictures and stuff like that usually stands out because people are drawn to money. So, and then after you do that, you want to make what I see that works is using, see, I notice a lot of people don't use emojis, and that's probably why they're not getting any. See, a lot of people don't use emojis. So you want to have yours stand out as much as possible, so you can just put a bunch of. So I'm just gonna post this link, and then it should pop up. But yeah, you'll add your picture there, and then you'll do who's. Now you don't have to type this. I'm just making up something, but I probably wouldn't put this. And making an extra $3,000 a month comment below. Now, things like if you can find something online that's actually free, like the NetSpend thing that I was telling you guys about, or the other thing, that's usually going to get you a lot more people because it's free, and most people want to do free stuff anyway. So NetSpend and the Rush Card, things like that. Anytime I see someone put free, then people are they're all down in the comments. So you can do that. But just to give you guys a brief summary, you can, I'm trying to find the money. It's like a money emoji. Oh, there it is. So yeah, using emojis like this one, you just do as many as you want to, fire, and then make some more text. Just make it stand out to where people like instantly stop when they see it. And then you can post those. Now, this posting in groups can work because it really works for some people and it really doesn't work for other people, but it's a consistent thing that you have to do every day, and that's why I usually tell people paid traffic is the best way to go, because this is manual work all day, you know, that you can potentially get some good results, but it takes time just to post in groups. So I would say build your following. I showed you guys how to do that with our videos. I would say post in groups, like post on Craigslist, post everywhere. Really, just continue to post continuously, and you'll get results because people are looking for your consistency and they're looking for longevity. And if they see that you've been in something for a long time, they're more likely to join than to see you skip around all over the place. So post in here a lot, and then you will start to see results. I had somebody join me within like 3 days, and they already saw like 2 sales because Warrior Plus, like their products their front end products are really cheap. So some of them are like $6, and some people are like, oh, that's nothing, they'll pay that. And then other products are like, can be up to like $20, but that's still not much when you're just talking about making money online. So like I say, just stand out as the best way that you can, and see, this person here used the money picture, but they didn't really do it as good as I would think. But see, they starting to get people that are engaging with them. So, and then you got people like, let's see, these backgrounds and stuff do work, but if you make them like I said with the emojis and stuff to make it pop more or certain colors, then it'll do better. But some people in here promoting all day and don't get any engagement because their ads like this. Most people in here speak English, so you're not going to get any engagement on that. I don't know who that is. But just keep promoting, stay consistent. That's the main thing. Don't give up too easy because it's very easy to just stop doing something because you don't see any results at the beginning. So I would just say continuously post, continuously add different. As you can see, I got 155 sales with this company alone. This was the one I was promoting, I think, last year. And then I got about 14 sales with that one. So the sales come. 98 sales with this one. So, I mean, you can make good money with this program, and it's free. You don't have to put any money up. So, like I said, go through it. If you need any other help, let me know. But if you guys always check the description of my videos, uh, this website right here, if you click it, I do have free training as well, showing you different, paid traffic techniques, different things that you can do. So the free training is right here at the top. And then I do have other paid trainings, and then I do have one-on-one coaching, but that's not on here. You have to email me for that. But, utilize these right here. It'll show you, a couple techniques that'll help you on the paid.